Hey guys, welcome to FixLab Pro. Is your Wi-Fi connected but still showing no internet on Windows 10 or 11? Don't worry, this is a very common issue, especially after Windows updates. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix it quickly. So without any delay, let's start the video. The first and simplest step is to restart your Wi-Fi router and your PC. Many times, a temporary glitch between your device and the router causes this error, and a quick restart solves it. If that doesn't work, then you have to follow the next step. For this, go to the Settings option of your PC, then search for Network Reset. Now click on Reset Now and press Yes. Then click on Network and Internet and go to the Wi-Fi option. Here, press on Manage Known Networks, and then click on Forgot Your Connected Wi-Fi. Now restart your PC. This will solve your Wi-Fi related problem. If you still don't have internet connection on your Wi-Fi, then you have to apply the next step. For this, go to Window Search and search netcpl.cpl. Then open it. Once it is open, click on Connections here. Then press on LAN Settings. There is an option of Proxy Server here. It has to be turned off. If it is ticked, then turn it off. Then click on OK and press on Apply and OK. If the problem continues, open Command Prompt as administrator and type these commands one by one. I am giving the commands in the description of this video. Type the first command and press Enter. Do the same for the second and third commands and press Enter. These commands refresh your IP address and DNS, which usually fixes the no internet problem. Another reason could be outdated or corrupted drivers. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter. Then click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If the update doesn't work, uninstall the driver and restart your PC. Windows will reinstall it automatically. As a final step, you can reset the entire network stack. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type netsh int IP reset and press Enter. Then restart your PC. This clears any deep network configuration issues. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi should now be working normally. If one method doesn't work, try the next until the issue is fixed. That's it for today's video. If you want a more informative video like this, subscribe to the channel and like it. You can comment on any problem you have. Thanks for watching.